Welcome back to Poptoysvietnam. Today we're diving into the world of one of the most iconic toy car brands in history. That's right, we're talking about Hot Wheels. Whether you're a collector, a racer, or just a fan, Hot Wheels has captured the hearts of people around the globe for generations. Let's look at how Hot Wheels became a cultural phenomenon and explore some of their exciting product lines. The birth of Hot Wheels. The story of Hot Wheels began in 1968. American toy maker Elliott Handler, co-founder of Mattel, wanted to create toy cars that were more realistic and could actually roll smoothly and fast. With the help of car designer Harry Bentley Bradley, they came up with the first line of 16 Hot Wheels cars, often referred to as the Sweet 16. These cars weren't just toys, they were miniature versions of muscle cars and hot rods that ruled the streets in the 1960s and 70s. These Hot Wheels models stood out with their flashy colors, attention to detail, and low-friction wheels that made them faster than any other toy car at the time. The impact was immediate. Kids loved the realistic details, and parents were just as impressed with the innovative design. After the success of the Sweet 16, Hot Wheels expanded quickly. They introduced new models and designs every year, capturing the latest car trends and sometimes even predicting them. By the late 70s and early 80s, Hot Wheels became a staple in almost every toy store worldwide. A huge milestone came in 1995 when Hot Wheels introduced the Treasure Hunt series, a limited edition set of cars that became an instant hit among collectors. Hot Wheels turned into more than just a toy, it became a hobby and even an investment. Product lines, from classics to modern hits. Now that we know a bit about Hot Wheels' origins, let's explore some of their best-known product lines. Trust me, there's a lot. The originals, mainline cars. Let's start with the classic mainline series, which is the heart of Hot Wheels. These are the standard 1 to 64 scale cars that we all know. Every year, Hot Wheels releases hundreds of new models, from real-world cars to original fantasy designs. If you've ever bought a Hot Wheels car at the store, it's probably from the mainline. Treasure hunts and super treasure hunts. Next up, we have the Treasure Hunt series, introduced in 1995. Treasure hunts are limited edition cars that come with special designs or wheels. They're harder to find and are marked with a flame logo. In 2007, Hot Wheels added a Super Treasure Hunt version, which is even rarer and includes premium features like rubber tires and detailed graphics. Premium Series. Hot Wheels didn't stop there. For the serious collectors, Hot Wheels introduced Premium Series lines, which include higher quality materials and more intricate designs. This includes lines like Car Culture and Team Transport, which are known for their realistic details and authentic wheels. These cars are often inspired by specific themes, like classic muscle cars or popular motorsport teams. Special collections and collaborations. Hot Wheels has also teamed up with some of the biggest brands and franchises out there. There's the Hot Wheels X Star Wars series, Marvel, and even limited runs with car brands like Lamborghini and Porsche. These collaborations are a great example of how Hot Wheels is constantly reinventing itself and staying relevant. RLC, Redline Club. Then there's the Redline Club, or RLC, a members-only exclusive collection that offers extremely limited edition cars. The Redline Club cars are some of the most sought-after models, featuring special designs, colors, and sometimes unique elements that make them true collectibles. Track sets and play sets. Of course, Hot Wheels is more than just cars. The brand has produced countless track sets, from the classic orange tracks to advanced setups with loops, jumps, and motorized boosters. For kids and adults alike, these tracks offer endless possibilities for racing and stunts. Why Hot Wheels endures? So what makes Hot Wheels so timeless? Well, it's a mix of their dedication to quality, constant innovation, and a deep connection to the world of real cars and car culture. Whether it's a simple mainline car or an exclusive RLC model, each Hot Wheels car carries a sense of adventure and nostalgia that appeals to people of all ages. From humble beginnings to a global powerhouse, Hot Wheels has truly earned its place in history. And with new models, collaborations, and technology, Hot Wheels is constantly evolving. So who knows what the future will bring? Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this look into Hot Wheels history and want more deep dives into die-cast collections, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Until next time, happy collecting and keep racing.